Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. In today's video, I have this Modelones times Pantone collection. I am so excited to go ahead and share with you guys what's inside this leather beautiful pouch here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. So once you open up the pouch here, this is how everything looks inside. Super cute. Now for the first item we have here is their user manual to go ahead and just show you guys a few tips and tricks, some Q&As, and just storage life for this gel polish set. Super neat. Here's how everything looks. Now up next we do have their hand file, and then we also do have their buffer. So inside this beautiful packaging here, I really love the packaging. We have some curved tweezers to help pick up any rhinestones or any stickers. This is how they look. They're just silvered. Then we have some cuticle trimmers, some rhinestones, and they come in a couple of different sizes and a couple of different colors. These are absolutely gorgeous. I really love these. I'm not too sure if they glow in the dark. I didn't check that, but they're really pretty. Here we have a bunch of stuff, like just a couple of items here. I am going to go ahead and just place this onto a plate so you guys are able to get a better view of them. So I went ahead and just removed a couple of the items, and I went ahead and just put one of each that is included in the little bag so you guys can get a better view of everything that's included. They're just super adorable. So here we do have their 6-watt mini UV LED lamp. Here's how the packaging looks around it. Super neat. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and check out how it looks inside. So once we open up the box, this is how everything looks. We have the USB cable first. It's not too long nor too short. Then once we remove that UV LED lamp, under there we do have a user manual to go ahead and just give you guys an idea of how to use it. Here's how it looks once we unbox it. We have the USB plug there. Then we have the power button. Then here's how it looks under here. Then we just go ahead and place it down and cure. So in here we have the gel polishes. I am so excited to go ahead and share with you guys each color. They're super pretty. I just love them. They're just like greatly pigmented. The formula is amazing. But yeah, these gel polishes are free of 11 toxic ingredients. They're vegan and cruelty free as well, which I really liked. Each bottle is 10 milliliters each, and I do want to go ahead and show you guys that they also do have that lipstick design that we've seen before. Here we do have their matte top coat and their base coat as well. They're 10 milliliters each. And here I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a closer look at the bottle design and the formula as well. Back here does indicate the number and the name of the gel polish. So here's how the consistency looks. It's not too thick, it's not too thin either, it's just right in between. I do want to mention that all of them actually are very different in consistency. We also do have two glow in the dark colors. And now without further ado, I'm going to let you guys enjoy watching the swatches. So here's how all of the colors look side by side. Let me know down in the comment section which color is your favorite down below. I absolutely loved all of them. They have just a great coverage and super pretty formula. I just love them all. They're just really pretty. They kind of remind me of like a tropical type of forest, or like a tropical theme. But yeah, I also do want to go ahead and show you guys here how the glow in the dark ones look. Here's how they look. Super pretty. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and begin on today's set. So for today's set, I'm going to go ahead and be using these coffin nail tips. As you can see, I do recommend, if you're actually making press-ons, to always etch the surface of the nail tip, otherwise it's just going to go ahead and peel off. But here I'm going to go ahead and just start off by going in with this color here. I'm going to be doing one thin layer of each color, then curing for 30 seconds in between each layer as well. So here's how they all look with their first coat. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the second layer, then cure for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with some of this glossy top coat by Modelones. Apply one thin layer to each and every single nail, then cure for 60 seconds. So here's how the nails all look with their second coat. I do want to mention that the kit did come with the top coat, but it was matte, so I didn't really know how the design would turn out with using the matte top coat, so instead I went ahead and went in with this glossy one. So onto my little palette here, I'm going to be placing a couple of the colors here. As you guys can see, we do want to go ahead and use a very good amount of gel polish. I'm also going to go ahead and be using this dotting tool. I'm going to be using the bigger side. I'm going to go ahead and be using this recycling tray here to go ahead and pick up any excess powder that falls, so we don't have to have a huge mess. This is what I'm going to go ahead and be using to pick up the clear acrylic, and this is how the clear acrylic looks. Any clear acrylic should work fine. And so here's how all of the nails look side by side. Using the color Lovebird and my dotting tool, I'm going to go ahead and kind of create some oval shapes. I'm actually going to go ahead and be doing 5 in the middle, just like so. I do want to mention that to use quite a lot of gel polish, make sure you're using a lot to kind of create that textured effect. Also do want to mention that when I was using this color to the little ovals, I did notice that I could feel that grainy texture, and I realized it was probably the pigment, the glow in the dark pigment in the gel polish. So yeah, I just do want to go ahead and mention that. Here I'm also going to create some little ones by the side there, in between the bigger ovals, if that makes sense. Once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and just spread all over some acrylic powder, then cure for 30 seconds, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to continue doing that design to each and every single nail. So once I went ahead and did that design to each and every single nail, this is how they all look. Super pretty. I really loved each color combo that I went ahead and did there. Now using my brush, I'm going to go and just remove any of the excess acrylic powder. And that is basically it for today's set. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's set and today's video. Don't forget to use the discount code COOL15 for 15% off your purchase. This is how the nails look on me. They look really pretty. I just love them. And here I want to go ahead and give you guys a close-up look of how they look once I went ahead and did that glitter glow in the dark effect, but yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hopefully you guys all have a wonderful Saturday, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
All my fingers sing in a major scale. All the colors show with a fairy tale. I am a queen wearing a crown. My popularity never comes down.